Okay, new package from Pins.Momo. Thank you. Let's see what we got. Ah, 기구s. So we've had these before, but they're really beautiful and go towards a great cause. So these are like onesie BTS from Mustard. Very cute. These have been very popular at the shop. It's so pretty. VT Carrollton. Okay, London. And so cute, so cute, so cute. Okay. Leather one. Okay. Also got something new from her, which is very exciting. These are the BTS necklaces, which are so beautiful. Come in this nice little package, and they're quite large. Here's my thumb. And open it up. Extra long chain, which is really nice. And here's the detail. Little wings on the side. Okay, these actually open up, which is very cool. So they have two little markers inside. Just pop open like that. And then a little surprise. Wow. Okay. And then you just fold it right like that. Okay. Very beautiful. Oh my goodness. Last but not least, temporary tattoos. Oh my god. So they're backwards, of course, so that they go on correctly. She included directions about how to use them, which is really nice. We got 3 different kinds. This is J-Hope's, and then June. This every wing goes one is going to be so beautiful. Okay. August. Very beautiful. Really excited to try these out. Okay, thank you.